Hi, I'm Bex from Good Nature, and this is our Smart Trap Kit. I'm going to show you what's in the kit, how it kills, what it kills, and why it's so smart. In the Smart Trap Kit, we have one easy to use trap stand, one of our legendary A24 rat and mouse traps, one self-dispensing automatic paste pump, one CO2 gas canister, some trap location cards, one smart cap, and a quick start guide. The Smart Trap Kit gives rats and mice a swift, humane, toxin-free death by attracting them, striking them, instantly resetting, and sharing the kill with your smartphone. This automatic paste pump attracts the rat or mouse into your trap. It self-dispenses fresh lure into your trap for up to 6 months, making it smell delicious to rodents. This CO2 gas canister is what powers your trap, so it can kill the rat or mouse, then instantly reset itself ready for the next one. You'll get up to 24 kills out of a gas canister and only have to replace it twice a year. When a rat or mouse crawls up into your trap and nudges that silver trigger, gas will rush out from this chamber, shooting out the orange striker, killing the rodent. The rat or mouse will drop down into the trap stand, where it often becomes a meal for another rat before you've even had a chance to dispose of it, even indoors. This is where the Smart Cap comes in. It's like the brain of your trap, recording the time, date, and air temperature of every kill. It holds that data until you're in Bluetooth range. The Good Nature smartphone app tracks all your Bluetooth connected traps and kills. It'll send you a refill reminder when your CO2 gas or lure is getting low, and you can even buy fresh supplies in the app. It'll also give you a kill notification anytime you're within Bluetooth range of your trap and it has a kill to share. Not only does our smartphone app show you what your trap is up to, you can also share your traps with others so you can see your collective impact, see whose trap is having the most success, and maintain them together. The Good Nature app also maps the kill data of every Bluetooth connected Good Nature trap out there, so you can see how your Smart Trap Kit connects to our much bigger mission to rewild the world. To us, every dot on this map is so much bigger than just another dead pest. It's one less bucket of toxins out there in the food chain and one less pest feeding on the awesome plants, insects, lizards and birds around you. This trap stand gives you the flexibility to move your trap instantly and put it in even the hardest to reach locations. You'll be tempted to put your trap where you've seen a rat or mouse running past. That's a big mistake. When a rat or mouse is out in the open or on the move, they don't feel safe and they'll be a lot less likely to interact with this trap. Put your trap somewhere they will feel safe, somewhere hidden and covered or along the edges of a space. If you're trapping indoors, that could be inside a cupboard, behind the fridge, or along the wall of a crawl space or attic. Outdoors, that could be behind a wood pile, under a hedge, or against the wall of a garden shed. To keep your trap stable on uneven surfaces, you can use pegs like these through these holes to hold it down. We also include trap location cards in our Smart Trap Kit. Good Nature trappers tell us all the time, these little things are the secret weapon for finding the best spot for your trap. Put them out in a few different spots, and if rats or mice feel safe enough to give them a nibble, it's a good sign you found the perfect location for your trap. To set up your Smart Trap Kit, you'll need the contents of the box and your smartphone. Setup is easy. You'll just need to do 4 things. Set up the trap, connect your trap to the Good Nature smartphone app, do a test fire to make sure it's all connected, and find the right spot to put your trap. Make sure you've downloaded the Good Nature smartphone app and created an account before setting up your trap. Your A24 trap should arrive with the orange trap mount already attached. All you'll need to do is attach the trap to the trap stand like this and click it into place. To set up your smart cap, use a screwdriver to pop off the top. Remove the white tab from behind the battery, then press the battery back into the same spot. Using a screwdriver, reattach the top firmly back onto the smart cap. Let the Good Nature smartphone app guide you through the setup process until you get to the best bit, activating your smart cap. Shake your smart cap a few times like this until you see the app connecting with it for the first time. Once your smart cap is activated, you're almost good to go. Activate the automatic paste pump by removing the coin, then place the automatic paste pump inside the smart cap. Remove the black lid, then screw the smart cap onto your trap. If a bit of rodent paste drops onto the trigger or into the trap, don't worry, that's your automatic paste pump doing its job. The CO2 gas canister is what powers your trap for 6 months. Take the black cap off the CO2 gas canister and screw it into your trap. You'll hear a hissing sound. That's just the gas filling the trap. Stop screwing the gas canister once the hissing stops. Be careful, your trap is now live. Now for the fun bit. Let's do a test fire to make sure your trap and app are connected. Again, the Good Nature smartphone app will guide you through this part of the setup process. Use a stick to gently nudge that silver trigger without getting your fingers anywhere inside the trap. Once your Good Nature smartphone app has detected that test fire, all you'll need to do is find the perfect spot to put your new trap. The trap and app will work together to give you years of smarter Good Nature trapping, letting you know when you're running low on CO2 gas or lure, and sharing kill data whenever you're within Bluetooth range.